Hey everybody, it's Captain Drew Cavanaugh here from Florida Inshore Fishing Charters, and today I'm going to do a review and a live demonstration over a product that was sent to me from a company called Glacier Fresh, and it is a glass pitcher water filtration system. It's the model GFP04 from the company, 10 cup, high flow, 100% BPA free, hand blown resistant glass. This is not plastic, this is glass. I like that. Just like when you sit down and have an ice cold adult beverage, I want it in glass. I don't want it in plastic or anything. I want it in glass. But what we're going to do today, it's white in color, composite filtration system. So they recommend the filter be changed every, I think it was 40 gallons or every 2 months. But I always go by taste. Every time I've used water filtration system, just because they say that, because I think different cities have different waters. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull it out of the box. Haven't even checked it out yet. We're going to look at it, then I'm going to go over here. I'm outside by my picnic area, and I'm going to go to the garden hose, which is straight out of the city water, no filtration system. We're going to fill it up. We're going to let it filter. I'm going to pour it into this cup here, and I'm going to see how it tastes. So let's see here. It's packed really nice. That's the first thing I can tell about a good quality product is how they pack it. So let me pull this bad boy out of here. Oh, that's nice. That is glass. Yep, that's really nice. Okay, let's see here. So let me see if I can figure this out. Okay, so here's the filter. I might have to run in real quick and get a knife. Okay, so I just peeled all this stuff off. I didn't really see any directions in there, but you know, I don't think it's rocket science. I'm assuming you put the water in there. So let's go ahead and try this. So here, I guess this goes down in, I'm assuming like, I don't know if you can see that, I'm assuming like that. All right, so I'm gonna walk over here and get the garden hose. So let's just put this bad boy in here. And I'm assuming that's what you do. So, okay, so you can see, I'm gonna just fill this up a little bit. I'm not gonna fill it up to the top just yet, just for this demonstration purpose. That's filtering it pretty good, pretty quick there. Okay, so now it's filled it to the top at the filter system. So I don't know if you can see it filtering through there or not. I can't tell by on the camera. I'll have to go inside when I see it. But I can see it dripping down there pretty well. It seems to filter it pretty quickly. Like I said, it's a 10 cup. Okay, so here we go. I've never tried this. I've never used it. I'm a big water drinker. I'm a charter boat captain here in Florida, so I'm always out on the boat in the ocean on salt water. I drink a lot of water. So let's see what this bad boy tastes like. And I know what the garden hose tastes like because when I do yard work and mow, I walk over there and use it. Okay. That's pretty good. That tastes just like, you know, spring water, bottled water that you buy. So now you don't have to do that anymore. That's really good. So there we have it, the Glacier Fresh Pure Water, Pure Happiness glass water pitcher. Again, it's not plastic, it's glass. Hand blown, 10 cup. They say to replace the filter every 40 gallons or 2 months. You can get it from them. If you're looking for some good water, I'm going to keep this at the house. It's nice to put it in the fridge. When I go outside, I can bring it outside versus our in-house built one. I don't have to worry about that. Also, I noticed it's got a nice little rubber plate or mat around it. Oh, that comes off. Okay, so when you clean it, I guess you could put this in the dishwasher. Yeah, so you could take that off. So I really like it. It's really nice. I think you're going to like it as much as I do. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Thank you.